Okay, you ready? Go ahead. Up to you. Take your time. You got lots of time here.
When you're ready to shoot, pull that back. Let it.
Take your time next time.
Finger up until you're ready to shoot.
You got one. Good for you. Which was that? There you are. Good for you. You got one more to go. One more shot to go, I think.
Pretty good kick,
That wasn't bad, was it?
No, it wasn't.
It's hot. It does.
It did.
Can we take 5 more shots?
Sure, not a problem. Just going to take the mag back out.
Yeah, but yeah, but it's flickering on and off.
You look down the barrel, see that? No. See that pin? And you put that on jump.
There you are. Good shot.
Finger up the trigger until you're ready to shoot.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, one more to go. Good for you.
Todd! That son of a bitch.
Look over the top.
For you.
All right. That's it.
That's it.
Right on. Good shooting, buddy.
It's so much fun watching these little guys that are keen. We need keeners.
Just say the word pull. Okay, go ahead and pull. See it? Oh, see it there? Yeah. Okay, do one more. Okay, pull. Now we're going to try and get onto that. But you got to put your face down on the dial. Okay, pull. Okay, see how you're going to sight it? All right, so now...
This time I'm actually going to shoot.
That's right. But we're going to turn the safety off. And don't squeeze the trigger until you get on the target, okay? You say pull when you're ready.
Pull.
Squeeze trigger. Just about got it.
Yeah.
That was pretty good. You want to do
I
another
don't think we should do that again. He's a little bit small. Oh, he's full of it. He's going to do it again. You're there for punishment, that kid.
Yeah.
That's right. So just watch your fingers. Look.
What grade is he in at school?
2.
Okay, you ready? Get your fingers.
He'll remember this the rest of his life.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now get ready. Pull when you're ready.
Pull.
He's not even flinching.
No?
No.
He's done? Okay.
Good try.
Okay, I'm going to cock it for you.
Sure.
You're ready to go.
Oh, nothing at all.
Nothing at all. Come on, give me some more.
It's like nothing.
Give me some more.
Okay.
Nothing.
6 rounds?
Shoot the wood.
No, actually, I'd prefer if you shoot the target.
Okay.
Okay.
What's that black tip?
I'm watching. Got it.
I'm gonna aim for that big white one up there.
You got it.
Just make sure. Okay. Good. Okay.
Miss.
Hard work. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Good fun.
Oh, no. Shoot the targets.
Aww.
Ah, sorry. There. Oh.
Nothing.
Nothing, absolutely nothing.
I wish I could just have one more shot.
You always stay in the standing position that you started off with, alright? 3 fingers underneath. Like I showed you. 3 fingers underneath. No, he's tough. Okay, arm out straight, shoulder up. Draw to this side of your face. Pull back as hard as you can. Oh, we got him in the foot. Now he's mad. Okay, where are we good? Nice.
Oh, I almost got it to stick.
Almost. Good shooting on a target. All right. 2 more.
Stuck.
Good.
Holy! That poor little guy. It's going to be a porcupine pretty quick.
Porcupine.
Whoa. That was a ricochet.
Oh!
Last one. Make her stick, boy.
Yeah.
Yay! You did it.
And it's just in the right place.
Awesome.